Hi, welcome to my channel, Self-Made Fancy Wardrobe. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a shawl color cardigan using stretch knit fabric.
The fabric I'm going to use is a little heavier and 4-way stretch. This cardigan has a shawl collar, can be open front or at the belt to close up. If you want to learn how to make this pattern, you can check out the link in description below. Now we are starting with marking and cutting fabric first. Collar center back must align with fabric grand line. Put two pieces of fusible interfacing on shoulder to control the fabric stretching. Before sewing, I had to adjust the stitching a little wider than normal for stretch fabric. Sewing 2 darts at back. Steam the back darts. The last step is to sew the shoulder and side seam. Before that, I had to overlock the seam first for shoulder and side seam, but leave armhole. Join the front and back shoulders. Join side seam. Join collar center back. Two layers of collar must align accurately and match with notches. Sew collar bottom and trim seam to make it thinner. Press collar before attaching it to the neckline. Overlock body's hem. Attach collar to leg edge and make sure the notches are matched. Collar bottom will be at the hem finish line. Start sewing from collar bottom along the whole collar, ending at another side or bottom. Roll up the hem, place collar between it like a sandwich, and sew on its original stitch. Add one more stitching line to control the collar stretching. Overlock the collar. Make fabric relaxing while pressing, especially on collar seam. I'm going to use double blind stitching on hemming. It looks like cross stitching, but it's high inside. Cross stitching is very flexible. It won't be broken even if pulling on the stretch hem. Look, invisible for both sides. Tag next seam to sew the seam. I add the certain banding on back neck to control the neck stretching. Overlock sleeve. Sew sleeve. Two inches starting from seam at the stitching line. Sleeve cap notch, match with shoulder seam. Underarm seam, matches with sleeve seam. The portion near underarm evenly align each other. Sleeve cap should have a tiny bit ease, but make sure no puckering showing up. Start sewing from underarm. Sleeve cap should be smooth without puckering and gathering. Now the final step is to making a belt. The belt cutting is 66 inches long and 4 inches wide. If fabric not enough long, then we can just make a join seam at side. I have another video for this pattern making. Please check out the link in the description below. If you like my channel, please give me a thumb, leave comment, and subscribe below. Thank you for watching. Bye.